Hey guys, this video is going to teach you how to properly scan your assignments. On your device, go ahead and find your OneDrive app. When you click on it, it will open your OneDrive and you want to click on the camera icon that's in the middle of your screen at the bottom. Once you click that, it'll bring up a camera. Notice on the right-hand side, there are some choices. It says document, whiteboard, business card, photo. You're not going to use most of those. You're just going to put it on document and it'll ensure that it's being saved as a PDF. Notice that there's a blue rectangle that appears around the document that just kind of helps you line things up. When you're ready to scan, you just click the camera button and take a picture. Once it processes, it'll give you a view of the scan. In the top right-hand corner, you have some editing tools. The trash will obviously get rid of the scan. You'll have to do it over. The little box with the line through it is the cropping tool. So that will allow you to drag the edges of your document to make sure you've included everything that you want. And then the rotation tool is really important. So notice that when I scanned this, it rotated my page. I want my writing to be upright. So that little circle button, you're going to use that to rotate your paper so it has the correct orientation. The T will allow you to add text to your document, and then you can move that around wherever you want. And then the markup tool will let you annotate your document. You probably won't use the text or the markup tool very often. So let's say I have more than one page to scan, because sometimes that happens. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you want to click the button that says Add New. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Notice I have another page to scan. So it's already on document. I'm going to go ahead and take my picture. And that one actually scanned perfectly, so I don't need to use any of the annotation tools in the top right-hand corner. You can also swipe back and forth to see all the pages you have scanned, or if you scan something out of order, you can swipe over and then add the page where you want. So when you're done scanning everything, you're going to click the blue Done in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. The Save As component is really, really important because you want to be able to find the assignment at a later date. So you're going to click at the top where it says Scan from 2020, just has the date and the time. And you want to put your last name, dot, first initial, and then you want to do the title of your assignment. So I'm just going to call this Classwork 0.0. Okay. Next, you want to make sure you're saving it in the right file. My current folders are Files, Geometry, Unit 9, Right Triangles, and Algebra 1. If you don't see the folder there that you want to save your document to, you're going to go down to Other Locations and click Files. It will bring up all of your folders that you have in your OneDrive. So let's say that you want to save this to your world history class. Then you would click World History. There's nothing in that folder currently. Save here. And notice in the middle where it says Save To, there's a check mark next to the folder that it's going in. So you can change the folders here. You can change it to Geometry, Files, World History, whatever you want. But the important thing to know is where to go when your file doesn't appear in the middle. So again, you go to Other Locations, click Files, and just find the folder that you want to save your document to. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one in World History. And then on the top right-hand corner, there's another checkbox. You're going to click that checkbox to say that you're done. At the bottom, it says Uploading File 1 of 1, and now it's complete. So now you can click on it, and your scan is complete, and you have two documents in one single file, which is really important because when you're submitting your assignments and there's multiple pages, you don't want to submit multiple pictures. You want to just submit one file with all your pages in it. So that's how you use your OneDrive to scan your documents as PDFs.